Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you. The OfficeWorld ink cartridge system for my Canon printer. This is a nice printer. He makes so brilliant picture print and of course documents too. Perfect for office use and private use too, of course. It is awesome to use by AirPrint too, and the only thing what is bad is the price for the cartridges. They are original from Canon, is really expensive. So I looked around and I found something awesome. OfficeWorld ink cartridge replacement set. In my case, it is for CLI-551 XL cartridge systems. It is compatible with the Canon Pixma MX925 IP7250, MG5550, MG5650, MX725, and IX6850, MX920, MG6650, MG6450, and MG5450, IP7200. These printers are compatible with this set. Of course, on the market are so other ink cartridge replacement sets by OfficeWorld, no problem. They are also available for Pixma models with MX and MG, etc. No problem. You have only to look what is the compatible ink cartridge system which you are going to replace. And I'm going to replace it for my printer here, as you can see. In the box are Canon replacement ink cartridge systems, 3 Cyan, 3 Magenta, and 3 yellow cartridge systems. That's awesome because we have a 9-pack. The Approximate page height yield is around about 300 pages per 251 XL color at 5% coverage. The print effect is easy to print with the consistency, reliable, high saturation, and bright and vibrant colors. All products of OfficeWorld go through a series of strict quality inspection before leaving the warehouse, with ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certificate approved. That's awesome, really awesome. And it's compatible with so many printers. And it makes a brilliant, nice pictures or documents with it. And each cartridge, you can make 300 pages with that. Really, that's a lot. And it's so easy. We have to place the ink on some paper or tissue. Then, after 3 minutes later, this is optional because of dipping a little bit ink on your hands. If you're not take care of it, like me, you can go on immediately. Then we have to take off the orange cap carefully with some tissue. Then wipe off the ink left over on the sponge in case of any leakness. And we can, if you like, wait another 3 minutes because this is the leaking test. And then we can install them. It's really easy. Maybe on other sets around the world, you have to remove the yellow tab and then you can install it. But in this case, these cartridge systems are so designed that we do not have to remove any other thing except of the orange cap. The orange cap is the only thing we have to remove, and then we can dock it into our printer. It's good for school, for office, for government, for home use. This is what we are going to use to make brilliant printer experience, like office printing. We can make our job easier and more effective and save more money because it's much cheaper than the original ones. But the color is good, the solution is wonderful, and there is a built-in core chip technology which we will not get any trouble with the printer itself. It will match immediately. You will see in that video I show you in one take that I'm going to attach them, and there is no failure code. But maybe you will get a failure code. Then you press OK and it goes on. No problem with it. To see what your printer need and cartridge system, you can make a print paper, and then you can look your set easily, really guys. And it's automatic. Minimized mistakes, more reliable cartridges by using that cartridge system. If you see that your ink status is low or empty, of course, then we have to open the cartridge system or the cartridge entering cover, lift it up. Then we have to wait a little bit until the printer shows us our ink station. Here we are. On this case, Cyan and Magenta are nearly empty. Of course, we can continue using them until they are flashing much faster than like here, because the sponge is a little bit wet too. That means here it's possible to print, continue printing. But let's remove them, and then we have to replace them easily. It's easy, as you can see. We remove the orange cap, then we have the orange cap removed, and we can enter the cartridge system. Here we are. It matches brilliant. Magenta is attached. Push on it. Here you can see LED indication is always on. That means everything is okay, no failure code, everything is fine. We can continue printing. Let's do this the same by using the Cyan. Remove the old cartridge. Here you can see the sponge on the left side, the tank on the right side. The tank is empty. The sponge is a little bit near of getting empty. And now let's replace them. Here you can see the chip. The chip is attached on the front side of the cartridge system. Really nice design cartridge, ink cartridge design, I think. It's awesome. So let's get it in position and push on top. Job's done. That it is. That's so easy, isn't it? You will never need a shop for it. You can perform this by yourself. So close the cartridge ink cover again, and let's have a check if there are some problems. Magenta, Cyan really full. It's really full again. Job's done. To make awesome new pictures with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.